of the meals in the cookbook. Which meal would you like to make? Click on it. Eggs with sweet plantains. Yummy! Do you see these ingredients? Salt. Yay! Plantains. You got it. Oil. That's right. Eggs. Try another one. Look in the refrigerator. There it is. You did it. You found all the ingredients. Papi's frying it on the stove. Delicioso. Thanks for helping.
Excelente!
Play again. Eggs with sweet plantain cornbread. That'll taste great. Do you see these ingredients? Sugar. That's not it. Look on the table. Great. Let's find another one. Raisins. You found it! Coconut. Look in the refrigerator. Let's find another one. Milk. Great! Let's find another one. Egg. You got it! Salt. There it is! Cinnamon! You found it! Flour! That's right! You did it! You found all the ingredients! Yay! Papi's baking it in the oven! You're good at this! The recipe looks perfect! Thanks for helping!
Excelente!
Again. Eggs with sweet plantains. Cornbread. Chicken. Good choice. Do you see these ingredients? Salt. Great. Let's find another one. Cheese. Yay! Jalapenos. You found it. Tortillas! Great! Let's find another one! Chicken! Yay! You did it! You found all the ingredients! Papi's frying it on the stove! Fantástico! Muy bien! Thanks for helping!
Great job!
Play again! Chicken tart rice with pigeon peas. Yummy! Do you see these ingredients? Ham. That's right! Onions. There it is! Rice. You got it! Peas. That's right! Water! Great! Let's find another one! Garlic! Yay! You did it! You found all the ingredients! Yay! Papi's cooking it on the stove! It's done! And it looks great! Delicioso! Thanks for helping!
Great job!